Hi, let's continue our review of the MLOps tools, and today we are going to see how to build Gradio app and deploy it in using phase. Note that we already have covered some tutorial. We see how to deploy MLFlow web app in AWS Fargate, GCP and Azure cloud. We also see how we can use Sagemaker AWS solution to build, train and deploy the model. For this tutorial I need some material. Let's see it. Firstly, I need to create a virtual environment. Yeah, my virtual environment is already created. The name is Pycaret env, and then need to activate this virtual environment to install Pycaret the magic package, and then to create my custom kernel to avoid some conflict with the version of Python installed on my machine. After that, I can be able to launch my Jupyter notebook. Let's see in git batch. I firstly want to know where I am. I think I am not in the right repository. Let us make this console too big because you need to see it. Do it like this. Okay, I need to go to the, let me check here, the Gradio. Okay, cd Gradio, and to clear it. And here I have array space. Okay, I am in the right repository now. I will activate my virtual environment. Conda activated. Activate is Pycaret env. Okay, my virtual environment is activated. It was already activated, and now I can launch my Jupyter notebook server. I launch it, and I will go on my browser to open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, let's go see what is. Let's go into my Jupyter notebook. As you can see, I have 3 files: readme.md, the requirement.txt, and the app.py file. Okay, now let us run our code. As you can see here, I have this command to retrieve my data. I work on Iris dataset. I suppose you know very well this dataset. The return of this instruction is this tab. You see we have a spaces is our target feature, and we have sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal length is our predictor. It is a classification problem. After that, I running my setup command given us by the Pycaret library to make some pre-processing. As you can see here, we choose numerical imputation is mean. After that, I am able to run a set of model. As you can see, I have some model here: logistic regression, car-neighbor classifier, cat-boost classifier, naive basis. All these model running with this command, compare model, give us one more by Pycaret package. And here you can see it. You can see here that logistic regression is the best model with the high accuracy. Now after that, I am able to launch my Gradio apps by running these cells. Let's run. You see it, my Gradio app running on my local URL or my local machine, local host, to this port 78 and 61. Okay, and you can see here my interface. I can choose the model. I will choose a logistic regression. I can use my slider to set the sepal length. I do the same thing with the sepal width. Make the same thing with petal length and petal width. And then I submit it to have my input, my output, and output maybe Setosa, Versicolor or Viginica. Let's submit it here. As you can see, the predicted class is Setosa, with the probability for every species. Setosa around 90%, Iris Versicolor 7%, very low, and Viginica 2%, very low. Let's see it in our browser. You come here, you click on this IP, and you have your application and your browser here. Okay, you can choose which model you want, set your feature, and click to submit to have your prediction. Okay, now let's see how to deploy this Gradio app in our using face repository. Now we are inside using face. We need to register or login, and then you will come here, you click on space, and here you can create a new space. You click here to create a new spaces. I already create my space. I will show you where is my space. My space name is Iris Space. Okay, you create it, and when you create it, you will be able to upload file inside this Iris Space. Okay, let's see which file I have uploaded inside. I have my app.py file and my requirement.txt. Okay, this is my requirement. I only have Pycaret. I also have my app.py file here. You can see, and when you upload the file in this space, it's running, and when it's running, if you have an error, you will have the label of error. If there is not error, you will have here in green and with the word running. Okay, and to test this Iris Space, you can run the app. Do you see? You can run your app simply by choose the model, yeah, and set your feature and click on submit. The model running inside the using face. It's not difficult, very simple way to deploy your model into the using space. You see here, the prediction is Setosa. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy it. See you next time for another tutorial.